How to block someone on Telegram without them knowing. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on the Telegram without them knowing. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Telegram app and here find the person you want to block without them knowing. So for example, if I want to block this person without him knowing, press and hold the chat and select the chat. Now here on the top right, tap on these three dots and here you will get the option to archive and block user. If you tap on block user and block them, here they will probably know that you have blocked them. So what you have to do is archive. Tap on archive. Now you have archived the chat. Now if the person send you text messages, photos or videos, you will not get the notification or anything of that, and also that person will not know that you have archived. Now to find the person where you have archived, press and swipe down your chat and here you will see all of the archived chats. So tap on it to see the archive. So here I will search for him. So this is the chat, this is the person I have archived. So if you want to unarchive, press and hold and select him and here tap on these three dots and tap on unarchive to unarchive them. So this is how you can block, archive someone without them knowing. So thanks for watching.